If you're an electrician, you know how crucial it is to have reliable tools for your job. Here are the 5 best clamp meters I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter. The Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter, priced at just $21.99, was what caught my attention was its affordable price and impressive features for the money. If you want a reliable and budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This clamp meter measures AC/DC voltage, AC current, resistance, and even capacitance. With a max current of 2,000 counts, it's versatile enough for both household and industrial electrical issues. The non-contact voltage testing is especially useful, with sound and light alarms letting you know if there's live wire present. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many electricians trust it. Now, some people complained about its inability to test DC current. Here's the thing though, if you primarily work with AC circuits, this limitation is not a deal breaker. It's fantastic for quick checks and general use. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY electrician or just starting out. Skip this one if you need to work predominantly with DC circuits, but at this price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Astro AI's limitation on DC current bothered you, this next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Klein Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter. We have the Klein Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter, priced at $64.98. I was impressed by its balance of features and reliability. If you want a more versatile tool that can tackle a variety of tasks, this one deserves a closer look. This meter measures up to 400 amps with its auto-ranging feature, which means you don't have to fiddle with settings to get accurate readings. It also has non-contact voltage testing, which is invaluable when you're troubleshooting electrical issues without disturbing the circuit. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's a popular choice for professionals. However, a few users mentioned that it could be a bit bulky for tight spaces. But let me be real with you. This added size comes with durability and a backlit display that makes it easy to read in low light conditions, which is essential for electricians. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool that offers both ease of use and accurate readings. Skip it if you need something super compact, but for the features provided, it's well worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need high precision. Product number 3, Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter 4,000 counts. Let's talk about the Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter that boasts 4,000 counts, selling for $35.99. What really caught my eye was its ability to measure a wide range of electrical parameters. If you want something a bit more advanced without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This meter can measure both AC/DC voltage and current, along with capacitance and frequency. It even features a large jaw opening that allows measurements without interrupting the circuit, which can save you time on the job. The non-contact voltage testing is also a nice touch, with alarms indicating live wires. With sales exceeding 1,000 units recently, this one is gaining traction among electricians. Some users pointed out that it might not be as durable as pricier models, but here's the thing, if you handle it with care, it performs remarkably well for its price range, making it a great budget-friendly option. This is perfect for you if you're an electrician looking for an affordable yet efficient tool. Skip this if you frequently work in rugged conditions, but for the average user, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something with higher specs and features, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, FNI RSI DMC100 Digital Clamp Meter. The FNI RSI DMC100, priced at $46.99, the 9,999 counts feature immediately grabbed my attention, offering superior accuracy. If you want a clamp meter that goes above and beyond in precision, this one is definitely worth considering. This model can measure AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and even temperature, which is a big plus for electricians. It has a high-definition full-color display that makes it easy to switch between dark and light themes, enhancing usability in various lighting conditions. With a built-in rechargeable battery and data storage for real-time tracking, this meter is excellent for professionals who need to monitor trends. It's no wonder over 800 units have been sold recently. However, some users found the interface a bit overwhelming at first, but I'll be honest, once you get the hang of it, the range of features is a game changer for anyone serious about electrical work. This is perfect for you if you need advanced features and high accuracy. Skip this one if you prefer something straightforward without all the bells and whistles, but for those who want precision, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're on the hunt for a complete kit, the next product might pique your interest.
Product number 5. Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit. We have the Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit, priced at $89.98. What caught my attention was the comprehensive nature of this kit, which offers multiple tools in one package. If you want everything you need in one go, this is the one to consider. The kit includes the CL120 clamp meter, GFCI receptacle tester, and non-contact voltage detector, making it a complete solution for diagnosing electrical issues. The clamp meter measures AC current and voltage accurately, while the additional testers cover a wide range of scenarios. With over 700 sales recently, it's proving popular among electricians. But some might find the price a bit steep compared to standalone meters. Here's the thing though, having all these tools in one kit can save you money in the long run, especially if you regularly conduct various electrical tests. This is perfect for you if you want a one-stop solution for your electrical testing needs. Skip this if you already have separate tools you're happy with, but for new electricians, it's a fantastic investment. That wraps up our reviews. Now let's compare all 5 products.
So to recap, we've covered the Astro AI digital clamp meter, Klein Tools CL120, Astro AI 4000 counts, FNRSI DMC 100, and the Klein Tools CL120 VP kit. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Klein Tools CL120 because it strikes a great balance between versatility and ease of use. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Astro AI digital clamp meter if you need DC measurement capabilities.